zebra.
They give you the local names.
How do we call it? How, if you want to call Jakanda?
Yeah. The Uganda cop is as well around.
So there are things about them.
Yeah.
What things is that in Uganda?
These are the names in Uganda.
Translations.
Translation. Samia.
Samia is what?
Samia is a Uganda word
For
this thing here. Then in Luo.
Luo also.
Yeah, they call it Kil. Lugisu. Ishishi. Ishishi.
Don't read it out loud.
That quick facts about them.
Napoleon.
Ruba, Apollyon.
Napoleon. Samba.
Apolli.
Shama. Water bugs have an oily secretion or substance that covers their coat and does not.
In this neck, Perini. Walk me back. How come you marry why? When marry Chingy. He wants to see snake. This guy.
Cô Mati bảo có đồ đồ một Mati bảo có tiền đâu quay trở lại cái ca nào rồi tiga aquele murió Ibi kwe moya bade
Tinha na luar fora lá
What you can you big celebs you can?
Big celeb you can
big celebrities in the building.
Who are you ngani? Mr. Weekend.
Only Mr. Emergency.
911. And
This is the emergency. Singer and searching.
Singer and searching. Hitmaker. Straight out of Black Vision. Entertainment. You cannot be alone, why?
I cannot be alone with my brothers. Discipline. I want this to be there. I cannot be alone.
Animals are very dangerous. Do not go over the barriers.
Quite.
Jalan ki man ngere kong jal
Lenjan.
Ni
rom libu wai libu chien.
You might take a car again,
Flashlight.
Flashlight.
Ooh, Chokman. Liech. Man long ya liechen.
Elias ko elephant ko
It's a video, right? Yeah, do with that. Bro, say something about the elephant. What do you know about the elephant?
Nothing.
You don't know anything about the elephant?
No.
Where did you know about elephant?
I know it's a big animal.
Yeah?
It's strong.
What do you like about the elephant?
What do I like about it?
Yeah.
Nothing.
You don't like anything about the elephant? Okay.
How big it is? Maybe that one.
Here's a tiger. We're seeing the tiger. Would have first gone there then.
Yo, guys.
Tiger. Let's have a look at the tiger. It's a tough one. This is a tiger.
Quite married, ba?
You like it? Who knows about the tiger to tell us something?
Tiger is the most dangerous animal that I know in this world. That's the only thing I know about it.
Anything about the tiger?
I'm scared for my life.
Yeah?
I'm
Big
scared.
teeth. That's amazing. Rose, you know anything about the
One of the
tiger?
most dangerous animal that I know.
It's beautiful.
Yes.
Anything about the tiger? It's a cool one, nice one. That's nice, that's nice.
I'm afraid for my life.
The next thing is the monkey, black and white colobus monkey. So they want to get them. Then we told them, now since you want colobus monkeys that you don't have in your country, you also want the tiger that you don't have here. They said this will give you 2 of them. And they gave us these ones. This is the male one. Then the brown one could be lying the other side. Right. Yeah, so the brown one is the female one, then this is the boy one. Generally they are supposed to be brown, but this is an albino. Okay. Yes,
This is an albino tiger.
That's why I see the color.
They have never met to give back. They will make.
This one is again too nice.
Hey, that's still young. Okay.
This one is nice.
It's nice. This is an albino. Yeah.
Albino.
Albino, it's not tough.
They made about $1 billion.
Shiane mo kan ni when you yom ke chwalo ku gen piare mi tiger chel. Bro, when you look up a met. Hey, that look to man. Hey, the brown one is there. Tiger, come out, man. It's there. Tiger?
Come out.
This one is the real one, eh?
Yeah.
The actual color. It's there. Tiger?
Tiger, come out.
Don't come anymore.
Johnny, don't quit out.
Tiger, come out, man.
You want to look at Tiger? You put it tiny come carry. Joke, I'm going to push on
Man.
Rasa.
Hey, that's a... Guys, don't only look at the animals, eh? Even these plants. You read about them.
We have it at home.
Yeah, come for the squirrels. What? This one also looks like a tiger. Hey, these ones. Those are wild cats. And they get annoyed. These ones.
These are cats.
This is called the Savo Cat exhibit, feeding proudly sponsored by whatever. Okay. They're very wild and they get pissed.
It's different.
They get annoyed.
Any pushko?
Wild cat.
They're wild.
They exist?
They do.
You want to touch it?
Yes.
It's here.
They're called Savo Cat.
Oh,
Very tough.
I've never heard of it.
They have long fingers, very white. In actually,
You have seen them before.
they call them Ogwanko.
What language?
Ogwanko levacholi. That is how tough they are.
Ogwing. Ogwing kwa.
Ogwanko.
Ito yung ogwing.
Ogwang beru mistake.
This is Ogwanko. Ogwanko. Ogwanko.
Kila ba tuyo ndogo bo, yo muka ndogo achira chen. Rome na gini imondo.
Wild cat, okay?
Lion, these are lions.
Come for the lion.
Mighty, yeah. Rosie, there's electricity on this.
What is there?
Electricity.
My pair.
That's a what?
My pair.
The lion. The inside. Lion. Before we go far,
How do you know?
The male one has been around.
this is called karako. In Achole, it's called mwai.
Why?
Mwai.
Young one. Jalle ire gini yeti de ire. Ikere yeti go ire. Is this one right? Jalle. Yana chal gini dong.
Very what?
Ini bege.
Anyway, your lane get big. Nim này không vừa guốc mà cây tin này con này you know king look at these ones like hungry dogs let's look at the lion okay da yeah take it so yeah take it so chopping and yin with that. Chamo dog and tell when you're car. Okay, the canna pay off don't get boom. Okay, eat him on kitty, bro. Eat him on kitty. Ah, bro. Huh?
We are the top and we are looking at the lion, and these are big lions over there.
This is lion.
The lion.
Where's the upper one?
Over there.
Bro, come on, man.
One is there. The others are inside. These are big lions. They're real lions. Others are inside.
Bro, do you know anything about the lion?
Lion is the king of the jungle.
Lions eat everything.
They eat
Alive.
vegetables.
When they see you.
They are the king of the jungle. Lions are the king of the jungle.
They eat
They
everything.
rule.
Even the bones?
Rulers
Anything.
of the empire.
Okay. Alright.
They wanted to roar.
Tex, do anything about the lion?
Lion,
Mm-hmm.
the banky chweche. I'm going to be in Baragi.
Lions belong to the cat family. They belong to the cat family.
Bro, say something about the lion.
Lions belong to the cat family.
Ah.
And according to stories, they say lions are king of the jungle. They overpower, they overtake, they eat too much, and they're birds of prey. Animals.
How about in terms of leadership? Because we know kings are leaders.
In terms of leadership, lions are the king of the jungle. That one, no say about that.
How do they control other animals?
How do they control other animals? They have a crow, which are strong, so fast for the feast and running. Yeah, and they are so energetic. It is said that lions are the strongest. They have a lot of energy through that.
How about in terms of eating other animals? Now, since they are leaders, what do you think about
animal
them?
that has blood? It's already a prey to them.
But I also think lions are the kings of the jungle.
So,
because they work together.
That
is why they overpower some other animals. So when they come in a group, it's easy for them to attack even a bigger crowd of animals. That is why they are considered to be the kings of the jungle.
Even if it's just one lion.
So you mean other animals cannot stay with the lions in an area?
It's only the wolf.
The wolf. Yeah, we're chilling. This is our big brand. Yeah,
Big man.
Mr. Miles official.
Sing and searching.
Yeah.
The only thing I know about lion is the most dangerous animal.
It's the most dangerous animal. Thank you so much. Let us move to the next animal. We are moving to the kasukus. Have you ever heard anything about the kasukus? Yeah.
These ones are the serpents.
You know kasukus can reply you the same word. Kasuku? Kasuku, say something. Ina wana lum. Then chani makaro no.
Hey, chani gena do. They call it what? Peacock. Ko yabo.
Lal eri leng leng mo. Didit mo. Mana ni mati na.
Any pair when any
Turkey man. Ne pe turkey bro. En wana lum. Ya wana lum. Nyengete Kenya. Kilone African grey parrots. These are parrots.
Kasuku. Kasuku.
These are the grey parrots. About the grey parrots. Hey.
Say something, Kasuku.
These things are funny. They're flying.
These are hyenas. Hyenas are these ends.
Hey, hyenas.
Hyenas. The ones you read.
What do you know about hyena? These are the most.
I always read on red paper about hyenas.
They are the ones that very low.
But breed any
Hyena.
Big one.
Any common late when any year, Corona Mago.
Any lalu.
Luo.
Luo mo.
Memo. Tu la te kwe. I. The other ones are rhinos. Here. These are rhinos. Very big. This one is the one you find in water.
This wicked area. Give me a video.
Those ones are annoyed now. The king is annoyed.
The Maxon.
That is a lion.
This is a lion.
The other one we left.
This is a lion. The one is
The one making the sound.
They're fighting. The lions are fighting.
That is an hyena.
They're roaring. And we're here looking at the rhinos.
These are not African islands.
These are exotic.
African beads.
These are the African breed. But if you part, look at that.
In South Africa. South Africa. This is a South African. This is a rhino. Jubi part. Jubi part, by the way. Jubi to buffalo. And rhino. Kitele ke cham. Gungi kom jomo tiu kanu.
Eran ba ata gine atwer vuri pa lu. Kene ke cham matek cham speed. Kon gini chamu kiro full day.
So ne cham ne.
En del committee ya
me chulo ne.
Ene pala pengolo.
Del committee ya de.
Kitiu ke machine.
Del committee ya.
Pala pengolo, bala pala.
Meda.
Ya ngon. Ya ma tuong del committee. Ya dene ki ngole ke. Chamu tuong ke chamu ngole ya. Luri java. Obodo e baya.
Big Mike.
Boys at the park. Big names. Chilling with the big girls. Klexby himself. And Sammy.
So we're going to which section?
Let us first go.
Rhino.
Bad man chilling in Dio. Queen Elizabeth.
Dio is coming in February.
Straight up, you're chilling at the park.
Yo.
You're having the biggest manager of all time, Rosemary in Kitia.
Yes, girl. What do you have to say, girl?
What do you have to say, you guys? You talk to the camera.
Big girl. Chilling in African clothes.
There, you know why? Because we're here with big salad.
All gathered at once.
At once.
Killer did Agnes. Me Agi Saloon. Now we are going to the gorillas.
Where is it?
The gorillas are up these ends. To the Zakayo. Zakayo is dead. Clex, we're going to see gorillas.
Gorillas?
There's a beach somewhere. Those gorillas are funny.
Videos. Not so long. No
problem.
You stop and then start again.
Is it?
Red. Yeah.
Come on, this one. It's not wildlife.